Nuclear technology is the study of nuclear reaction involving atomic nuclei. Nuclear reactors, nuclear medicine, and nuclear weapons are all notable nuclear technologies. Nuclear power generates about 10% of global electricity, which is rising to nearly 20% in advanced economies. While it faces challenges in some countries, it has historically been one of the largest global contributor to carbon-free electricity and has significant potential to contribute to power sector decarbonization. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the energy released from the nucleus or core of an atom, which is composed of protons and neutrons. Nuclear energy is produced in two ways: nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Nuclear fission. Nuclear fission occurs when a neutron slams into a larger atom, forcing it to excite and split into two smaller atoms, also known as fission products. Further, this state of a chain reaction when additional neutrons are released. Also, when an atom splits, it releases a tremendous amount of energy. Since uranium and plutonium are easy to initiate and control, they are the most commonly used as fission fuels in the nuclear power reactor. The fission energy released in these reactors heats water into steam, which generates carbon-free electricity by using steam to spin a turbine. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion happens when two atoms collide to form a heavier atom, similar to how two hydrogen atoms fuse to form one helium atom. This is the same process that powers the sun and generates enormous amounts of energy, many times greater than fission. Nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactors are fundamentally large kettles that heat water to generate massive amounts of low-carbon electricity. They are available in a variety of sizes and shapes and can be powered by a variety of different fuels. A nuclear reactor generates and regulates the release of energy by splitting the atom of specific elements. The energy released in a nuclear power reactor is used to generate steam, which is then used to generate electricity. Components of nuclear reactor fuel. The fuel used in a nuclear power plant contains fissile atoms whose energy is extracted by fission. Uranium-235 is the most common fuel. Control rods. In a nuclear reactor, the chain reaction is constantly managed by means of control rods, which are made from a material capable of absorbing neutrons. They can be dropped or pulled to maintain or increase the fission rate. Moderator. Its role is to slow down the neutrons released during the fission reaction, which can otherwise be too energetic to efficiently provoke other fission reactions. Coolant. The heat released during fission must be transferred from the reactor core to the turbine and alternator. This role is guaranteed by the coolant, the fluid used to remove the heat generated by the nuclear fuel. Steam generator. These are large heat exchangers for transferring heat from one fluid to another. Here from a high pressure primary circuit in PWR to a secondary circuit where water turns to steam. Types of nuclear reactors. Since the inception of the nuclear power industry, several reactor technologies have been developed across the globe. These technologies differ by their choice of technological option. Pressurized heavy water reactor (PHWR). PHWRs are the third most common reactor type, making up 11% of the global fleet. Development or origin. The PHWR reactor has been developed in Canada since the 1950s, and in India its development started in the 1980s. Fuel: natural uranium 0.7% uranium-235 oxide. Moderator needs a more efficient moderator, that is heavy water (D2O). Heavy water is used as a moderator because it slows down neutrons effectively and also has a low probability of absorption of neutrons. Coolant: heavy water under pressure. It produces more energy per kilogram of mined uranium than other design, but also produces a much larger amount of used fuel per unit output. Light water reactors (LWRs). Light water reactors are power reactors that use ordinary water to cool and moderate them. The pressurized water reactor (PWR) and the boiling water reactor (BWR) are the two most common types. Pressurized water reactor (PWR). Pressurized water reactor (PWRs) make up almost 70% of the global reactor fleet. Development: it was developed in the former USSR under the name of WER. Fuel: enriched uranium with 3% uranium-235. Moderator. Ordinary water is used as both coolant and moderator. Boiling water reactor. They are the second most common reactor type globally, making up approximately 15% of the global fleet, primarily found in the US, Japan, Sweden, and Taiwan. Development technology developed in the US, Japan, and Sweden. Fuel enriched uranium with 3% uranium-235, moderate and coolant ordinary water boiling in the core. This reactor is designed to operate with 12 to 15% of the water in the top part of the core as steam, resulting in less moderating effect and thus higher efficiency. Fast reactors. Fast reactors are a versatile and adaptable technology that promises to generate or breed additional fuel by converting nuclear waste into fissile material. The term fissile refers to nuclear fuel, which is typically uranium or plutonium and can sustain a fission chain. Fast reactors use uranium-238 in addition to the fissile uranium-235 isotope used in most reactors. If fast reactors can produce more plutonium than the uranium and plutonium they consume, they are technically known as the fast breeder reactors. The fast reactor has no moderator and relies solely on fast neutron to cause fission, which is less efficient for uranium than using slow neutrons. As a result, plutonium is commonly used as the basic fuel in fast reactors because it fissions sufficiently with fast neutrons to keep the reactor running. International regulatory mechanism. There are several international regulatory mechanisms for nuclear technology to promote safe, secure, and peaceful use of technology. International Atomic Energy Agency, the IAEA, is the world center for cooperation in the nuclear field and seeks to promote the safe, secure, and peaceful use of nuclear technology. It is widely known as the world's Atoms for Peace and Development organization within the United Nations family. Non-Proliferation Treaty (NPT). The Treaty on NPT was adopted in 1968 and entered into the force in 1970. It was 191 member states and India is not a member. NPT is the centerpiece of global efforts to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons, to promote cooperation in the peaceful uses of nuclear energy, and to further the goal of nuclear disarmament and general and complete disarmament. Nuclear non-proliferation and disarmament. The International Non-Proliferation and Disarmament Regime focuses on nuclear weapons-related principles, norms, rules, and practices. The regime is historically based on the 1968 Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons, Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons. The Treaty on Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons was negotiated in 2017 and entered into the force in January 2021. It seeks to strengthen the stigma associated with nuclear weapons in order to promote disarmament in accordance with the NPT disarmament pillar. It imposes comprehensive restrictions on nuclear weapons including their possession, use, and threat of use. Nuclear Suppliers Group (NSG). It was established in 1975. It is a group of nuclear supplier countries that seeks to continue to nuclear weapon non-proliferation by implementing two sets of guidelines for nuclear exports and nuclear-related exports. Members countries of the NSG have access to the latest technology for a range of uses from medicine to building nuclear power plants. India is not a member of the Nuclear Suppliers Group. Applications of nuclear technology. In addition to producing electricity, nuclear technology has a variety of other beneficial applications. Agriculture, medicine, space exploration, and water desalination are among them. Agricultural workers use radiation to prevent harmful insects from reproducing. For example, under SAMPADA scheme for agro-marine processing and development of agro-processing clusters, the Ministry of Food Processing Industries provides subsidies to gamma radiation processing plants that are installed for gamma radiation processing of food products. Food irradiation kills bacteria and other potentially harmful organisms in food. This type of sterilization does not make the food radioactive or have a significant impact on its nutritional value. Irradiation is the only effective way to kill bacteria in raw and frozen foods. Medical. Nuclear technologies provide inside image of the human body and can aid in disease treatment. For example, nuclear research has enabled doctors to precisely predict the amount of radiation required to kill cancer tumors while causing no harm to healthy cells. Space exploration. Nuclear technology makes deep space exploration possible. Unmanned spacecraft generators use the heat from plutonium to generate electricity and can operate unattended for years. This dispensable long-term source of power propels these spacecraft even as they travel deep into space. For example, according to the Nuclear Energy Institute, Voyager 1, which was launched in 1977 to study the outer solar system, is still transmitting data today. Water desalination. Water desalination is the process of removing salt from salt water in order to make it drinkable. However, this process consumes a lot of energy. Nuclear energy facilities can provide the large amount of energy required by desalination plants to provide fresh drinking water. Challenges of nuclear technology. Apart from significance, nuclear technology has some challenges which include large operating cost. With the strict maintenance regulation and the need for staffing, training and regular inspection, it is costly to compete in the nuclear energy market. Risk of accident. Major nuclear incidents were caused by human error or natural disasters, which is unrealistic to manage or prevent, and nuclear energy is operated by humans. Nuclear waste. Radioactive nuclear waste containing poisonous chemicals like plutonium and uranium pellets requires meticulous and permanent disposal to prevent environmental pollution. Nuclear proliferation. There is widespread concerns that the development of nuclear energy program increases the likelihood of nuclear weapon proliferation. As nuclear fuel and technology become more widely available, the risk of them falling into the wrong hands grows. Radiation exposure. Nuclear explosion produce radiation, and this radiation harms the cells of the body, which can make humans sick or even cause them death. Illness can appear or strike people years after they are exposed to nuclear radiation.